A jurisdictional dispute has emerged in the Supreme Court after the National Logistics Cell (NLC), part of GHQ, filed an application on Thursday. This came after a two-member bench led by Justice Mansoor Ali Shah reserved its decision on 50 petitions against NLC management. The application, submitted by the NLC Director General, claims the case involves the interpretation of constitutional provisions and therefore should be heard by a constitutional bench. The bench had been reviewing an appeal by NLC challenging the Federal Service Tribunal's ruling, which granted civil servant status to NLC employees. Despite objections from NLC's counsel, the bench reserved its judgment. The application argues that Articles 212, 240, 242, and 260 of the Constitution are at the core of this case. It requests a rehearing before a constitutional bench, citing the impact of the 26th Amendment, which mandates such matters be transferred to the constitutional bench as per Article 191A. The government has recently amended the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act, adding Section 2A. This section states that any dispute over jurisdiction between regular and constitutional benches must be resolved by a committee under Clause 4 of Article 191A through a formal order.